Dear friends, since God so loved us, we also ought to love one another. No one has ever seen God, but if we love one another, God lives in us and his love is made complete in us. Simply reminds us that we don't see God, but when we see love in others, we actually see something of God's love.
Oh, as deep as my soul can reach, and as far as my eyes can see, with every breath that I breathe, and with every word that I speak, all my love is yours. All my love is yours. All my love is yours. All my love is yours.
It says, today is the happiest day of my life because it's the start of a new life together. Being married to you means living and laughing with my closest friend. Living, loving, laughing, smelling roses as we go. Even when our eyesight dims and the steps we take become slow. No matter where life leads us, remember this is true. Today, tomorrow, and forever, I will always love you. XOXO, love your future hubby, Steven. Oh. This is where we met, where he proposed. Oh, and where we're getting married. Oh. Right by Sushi Palace.
August 28th, 2020. My dear Steven, can you believe it's finally here? 14 months ago, when we started planning our wedding, I had no idea it would go through. I feel so incredibly honored and lucky to walk down the aisle to you today and to pledge my heart and soul to you forever, Steven. I cannot wait to start our adventure together. While we may not know where life will go, know that I will always stand beside you, honor you, defend you, support you, and love you. Happy wedding day, my sweetheart. I'll see you soon. I'll be the one in the wedding dress. Forever yours, Christina. Gorgeous.
Steven, you are such a beautiful person. You have the best laugh, and I love how our sense of humor is so similar. When life gets stressful, you know how to make me laugh and feel like a kid again. I know times will not always be smooth, but I know that the love, commitment, maturity, forgiveness, and understanding we have for each other will guide us through anything that comes. You are my best friend, and I can't wait to share this big, exciting life with you.
Christina, I believe in you. The person in which you will grow to be, and the couple we will become together. I will dream with you, celebrate with you, cherish you, protect you, and always walk beside you wherever our journey through life together may lead us. You are my significant other, the love of my life, my everything, today and forever.
The stars will show us. It's all waiting for us. Every turn a living color. Heaven knows what we'll discover. A story in the making. The world is ours for the taking.
So tonight we celebrate you, Christina and Steven. We wish you a lifetime of happiness, love, health, success, and laughter. And with that, please join me in a toast to the bride and groom. Cheers.
I chciałbym, żebyś wszyscy powstali i tradycyjnym naszym zwyczajem zaśpiewali parze młodych 100 lat.
May you two find joy, health, happiness, and goodness in each other and in the lives of others you touch throughout your lives. Christina and Steven Swiderski, we love you both very much, your mom and dad. Oh, and P.S. Bring on the grandkids. Toast.
My sister is my best friend in the whole world, and the best gift my parents ever gave me was my sister, hands down. So I couldn't think of anything better for her than to have Steve in her life. So with that being said, happy wedding day to you, and I love you more than anything in the world, and thank you. Yeah. Happy wedding day to you guys.
Rising sun hits the sky.
Take these hopes and hold them high. Every time you live in color, heaven knows that we'll discover a story in the making, at the start of something.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to introduce to you, as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Stephen and Christina Swiderski.